Hey everyone, David here with the Logic and Fulfillment team here, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the contact flow and what it looks like when it's going through the process of becoming a lead to scheduling an appointment. And there's so many different things that a contact can go through. So when we go in, I will just, for example, add a contact. We'll say Dave Test, and we'll just create a test contact just for testing purposes. There we go. Save. So we can add the contact manually, right? So once we add the contact, refresh the page. We should see it right here. And now, based on that, just the contact being added, there's so many things we can do for there to be like different types of contact flows. One, we can add it to a campaign, or maybe like such as like a lead nurturing type campaign. There should be so many different campaigns here. Let's take a look and see if we can find one. Here we go. And reminder to look for A. So your claim offer nurture campaign. So contact gets put into the claim offer nurture campaign, and then what could happen is, as the contact is being nurtured, when they actually book the appointment, the campaign will get removed, and this is all being set based on the triggers that are set, of course, and we talked about triggers in the previous video, but we can go and take a look at that real quickly. So any condition, we'll say appointment. Actually, let's go look at the campaign real quick. Yeah, let's go to campaigns. So when we go here, and we'll pull in one of the old campaigns. There it is. So we have right here, we could see how the total contacts that are in this campaign right now is 1. We're just doing this as a test. If I click on this, we will see the contact show up here, and we're able to actually see what the status is. So right now the campaign is on pause, so we have to go turn that on for it to actually go through. But it tells you the start date of the campaign, and then of course it says 0 of 7 messages. And if we wanted to, we can click this running man, and this will actually run the campaign. So if there's a campaign that has like wait steps for like 5 days and so forth, we can bypass that by clicking on this running man. But anyway, let's get into the campaign again. Oops. So here's the campaign, your claim offer nurture. We'll go back to that. And this is what it looks like. So there's a text, sequence, emails, and we'll talk about campaigns in another video. But you can see this is the flow the contact is going to go through when they're added to this campaign. And the cool thing is, when the appointment gets booked, what will happen is we'll automatically remove them from this campaign. And that is set on the trigger level, which we talked about in the triggers in the previous video. Also, furthermore, very important to understand that we have this option to put on to stop on response. And the stop on response will also remove them from this campaign as well. So very, very important to know how the contact flow is going to work inside the system. And there's so many different things you can do. And again, I'll probably talk more about this in depth on the campaign videos. But typically after the end of the campaign, let's just say we took off stop on response. And if we took that off and the campaign ran, let's say they did not book an appointment and it just ran all the way to the end, what's going to happen is over here, it'll move on to the next campaign, which again, we'll probably go more depth with that in another video based on campaign. But this is really what it's like on the contact basically journey of what's going to happen when they become a contact in the system. They can go through different campaigns. They can come in from a funnel, and from there, based on the triggers, anything can happen and the contact will go through there. All right, so there will be more videos that I will be doing that will probably explain that in more depth, because each part of the logic and fulfillment, there's just so much to go over. And this is just giving you just an overview of what it would be like when a contact actually goes through the process of becoming a contact into the system and how it gets moved over from one to the next and so forth. All right. Hope this video was helpful, and we'll talk to you next time. Have a great day. God bless.